This was my dad's car, and him and I restored it as a father-son project in the 70s. We spent 7 years doing it. We did everything ourselves, including the bodywork and paint. And we drove this car many miles. We've put about 100,000 miles on it since we restored it. We've had to rebuild the engine about 3 times since then.
All right.
So cool. Always made it home.
Clutch in. I just want to feel the positions here.
Yep.
First.
Over to the left. Or, sorry, that's reverse.
First, neutral, second.
No, second.
Second. Oh, that's reverse.
Yep.
Okay.
For high is straight down from second.
Second. Okay. And you don't really need much gas when you...
Don't need much, no. If you're on the front. Probably the most difficult part about learning a manual. Hill starts is the most difficult part about driving a manual. Don't put your foot on the brake, put your foot on the gas. Give a little bit of gas, slowly clutch
Just
out.
touch it.
Yep.
This is awesome. Those brakes really do that.
Yeah, they're hello. Can I call you back in a minute? I can hear you, yeah. Yeah, I'll call you back in a few minutes. Okay, bye. You can shift it in a second now. Yep. There you go. There you go.
Thank you so
First
much.
Model A ride. Yep.
Now, how'd you like that, Elijah?
Awesome. That was awesome. Can I hit the one?
Yep.
That's awesome.
like you. And maybe some sweet day that vow we'll take. The folks will say what a couple they make. Just wait and see, we'll be the talk of